So let's take a look at the brief history of PM, powder metallurgy. 3000 BC, we see the Hittites using sintered iron. The Hittites were people that lived in the what is today known as the Middle East. About 400, we saw India with the Delhi iron column, and it has very unique metallurgy, low corrosion resistance or high corrosion resistance. In the pre-1400s, we saw the Incas using gold and platinum to make jewelry. In the 1800s, 1805, and in England, they were sintering platinum. By the 1880s in the United States, they were experimenting with sintered iron. In 1910, a guy named Coolidge developed a process for tungsten that was used in tungsten lamps. And we see the introduction of the electric light bulb. In the 1930s, carbides were produced. Porous bronze bearings were made for the growing automotive industry, for the use in small electric motors. And we see the introduction of steel powders. In the 1960s, which is when the industry really takes off, we see structural PM and the beginning of the automotive wave in the use of powder metallurgy. In the 1980s, we get involved in something we'll call microstructural engineering and the introduction of sinter-hardened powder metal materials. In the 1990s, we saw the growth of metal injection molding, or MIM, and insulated powders that are currently used in electrical applications. In the 2000s, we see the introduction of metal additive manufacturing or 3D printing. So this is a little bit of our history in powder metallurgy.